Welcome to Athens, the cradle of Western civilization, and a city where every corner tells a story spanning thousands of years. In this three-part series, we'll walk through its historic streets, exploring the soul of Greece. This is part 1, the heart of the city. Our journey begins at the foot of the sacred rock, where history stands tall against the bright blue Mediterranean sky. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. As we begin our climb, notice the ancient stones beneath our feet, worn smooth by millions of travelers over the centuries. Passing through the Propylaea, we enter a space that once served as the portal to the most sacred temples of the ancient world. And here it is. The Parthenon. Completed in 438 BC, it remains a symbol of democracy, philosophy, and architectural perfection. Look closely at the columns. There are no straight lines here. Every curve was calculated to create an optical illusion of perfect straightness. Nearby stands the Erechtheion, famous for the caryatids, 6 graceful female figures who have held up the roof for millennia. From this height, the city spreads out like a vast white sea, with the ancient theater of Herodes Atticus nestled at its base. Leaving the heights behind, we descend toward the oldest neighborhood in Athens, the historic Plaka. Known as the neighborhood of the gods, Plaka is a labyrinth of narrow streets, neoclassical houses, and hidden cafes. It's a place where time seems to slow down. You can feel the heartbeat of old Athens in every stone and shaded courtyard. Higher up, we find Anaphiotika, a tiny whitewashed village built by craftsmen from the island of Anaphi who missed their home. Nearby, the Tower of the Winds stands as the world's first meteorological station, measuring time and wind direction since ancient times. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The Roman Agora once served as the commercial center of the city, where merchants and philosophers crossed paths daily. Just a short walk away, the energy shifts as we enter the Monastiraki Flea Market, a treasure hunter's paradise. Monastiraki Square is the true heart of the city, where layers of history, Byzantine, Ottoman, and modern, all coexist in one view. And of course, no tour is complete without a taste of Athens. The scent of souvla and fresh herbs is always in the air here. As the sun begins to set, the city transforms, the ancient marble begins to glow, and the nightlife of Athens awakens. At night, the Acropolis serves as a beacon, watching over the city just as it has for thousands of years. We've only just scratched the surface. In part 2, we'll head toward the coast to explore the Athenian Riviera. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.